Welcome to one more weekly analysis of the market. So as you know, we are sitting on 20th, so it's from 19th weekly analysis. Where do we stand? So if you are a regular viewer, you might see that right now we are looking at the monthly chart. Right, we are looking at the monthly chart of Nifty. Again, last week you might have seen the market is on the monthly chart. The market is uptrend. Now it has gone sideways. So 3 or 4 months sideways. But if you look at this one, it's low, higher lows, right? So still in the uptrend. So irrespective of the sideways, it is still going higher. So whenever trading, we need to ensure that the previous day low should not break down. So that's the only thing which you need to look at. Okay. So this is the monthly analysis. So sideways to upwards. Coming back to weekly. Weekly, it's kind of a hammer pattern. Good sign that the market has kind of stabilized itself and again bouncing back. So sign of market bouncing back. This is the weekly analysis. So far, so clear. Coming back to daily analysis, what's happening to daily analysis? Daily analysis say I think it has taken a support. So let me see this one. See, it has taken a support. Oh no, it has not taken. It has taken a support. My mouse problem will never get solved. Let me delete it and rework on it. So I'm drawing the line. I will take this line. I will draw a line and I will make it a bit thicker and bring it down. Which will bring it down. See, here it has taken a support. Here it's taken a support. Here it broke down. It has taken a support on daily analysis. So market correct last week correction seems like the market has bounced back. It was a good bounce back. In 1 hour or so, you will see the daily analysis as well, where you will see you will go into more deeper into 15 minutes analysis. So wait for that video as well. So market has bounced back. The only reason, so in case if there is no news in terms of Israel, Iraq, Iran, sorry, there is no news, then there is the market has reversed and it might come back to this level of 22 700 750 levels, and it might create another lifetime high. But in case if again, if there is some kind of missiles, Iraq retaliates, Iran retaliates, if there is a missile here and there, then the market will correct and this will be a dummy thing. So technically the market has bounced back. Fundamentally, it depends upon the war. Okay, that's it for today. So wait for the daily analysis video as well. Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend.